In this video, we'll show you the strategies to use when watching Vocab in the Brain's brilliant vocab videos.
Our video flashcards have several features that will help you memorize each word. By actively learning with our videos, you will be able to expand your vocabulary pool and deeply understand the meaning and usage of each word.
At the beginning of each word slide, the word will be flashed for a fraction of a second. Then, you'll need to focus and guess what the word was. When you see the dark slide, try to recreate the word's spelling in your head.
Abate.
Next, we'll read the word out loud so you'll hear what it sounds like. Say the word out loud yourself while watching this part of the video. Remember, throughout the video, the most important thing to do is to actually read and repeat the words out loud.
Abate,
Abate.
abate,
Abate.
Now you'll see an image that's associated with the context of the word. We'll then show you a sentence to go with the word. You need to read it out loud while inserting the new word into the blank and connecting the image with the sentence.
The storm suddenly abated. According to a study from the University of Waterloo, you are more likely to remember something if you read it out loud. The study shows that active involvement, like speaking text out loud, helps to get words into your long-term memory.
Keep in mind the importance of having your brain hear you read the words out loud. We recommend using headphones so that you can hear your own voice better.
Do you want to learn over 2,000 words in a fast and effective way? Then please subscribe right now.
And watch this video for a sample of what our word videos will look like.